this video, we will learn how to take out a tire from a wheel assembly and fit a repaired or new tire to the wheel assembly with the help of wheel assembly machine. We will be using a tubeless tire for the wheel assembly. First we will take out the cap from the valve stem. Next step is to take out the air from the wheel assembly. There are 3 pedals in the machine. First pedal is used for braking the bead. Second pedal is used for opening and closing the wheel holding mechanism, which is mounted on top of the machine. Third pedal is used for rotating the wheel. Now we will brake the bead of the tire. For braking the bead, we need to place the tire on bead braking location, and then place the machine lever at tire bead. We will press the first pedal as described earlier, which will brake the bead. Now we will intermittently rotate the wheel and brake the complete bead of the wheel. Same process will be repeated for the other side of the wheel. Next step is to keep the wheel assembly on the machine on wheel rotating mechanism. Press the second pedal once, to make place for keeping the wheel, and press it again to hold the wheel assembly by its jaws. Now lower the tire removing attachment, near to the tire bead. Tire removing attachment can be rotated and moved up and down with the help of a lever. Tire removing attachment need opening in the wheel to take out the tire, which we will create by taking out tire bead from wheel with the help of manual lever. Now press the third pedal to rotate the wheel. With the help of tire removal attachment, tire bead will come out of the wheel from one side. Next step is to take out the tire bead from the other side of the wheel. We will make opening manually and then will rotate the wheel to take out the tire completely from the wheel. Now move the tire removing attachment away from the wheel and take out the tire from the wheel. Next step is to remove the valve stem. It is always recommended to change the valve stem while changing the tire. Cut the valve stem with the help of a knife. Fetch the new tire to be fit in the wheel. Ensure the tire is as per wheel assembly specification. First, we need to assemble the valve stem. For valve stem fitting, locate the valve stem hole in the wheel and insert it in the hole. Now pull up the valve stem outside of the wheel, with the help of the valve stem puller. Remove the valve stem puller, once valve stem is set in the hole. Next step is to apply the lubricant on the tire bead. It helps in easy assembly of the tire on the wheel. apply the lubricant on both sides of the tire. Now with the help of the tire removal attachment we will assemble the tire on the wheel. One by one we will assemble the bottom and top bead on the wheel assembly. Now move away the tire removal attachment and take out the assembled wheel from the machine. Now it's time to fill the air in the tire. Nowadays, nitrogen is also used in place of air. Nitrogen is superior to air, since it does not get hot at very high speed also. Air may expand due to heat, which becomes a cause of tire bursting. This issue can be eliminated with the use of nitrogen. It is highly recommended to use safety gauge for filling the air. Check the air or nitrogen pressure with the help of a pressure gauge. Wheels which are balanced earlier with same tire can be used directly after filling the air or nitrogen. If new tire is assembled, then it is highly recommended to balance it.